In this video we'll explain how to work on agents, how to handle with customer.
Hello, this is Lisa calling from CloudsDial. Am I speaking with John?
Yes, this is John.
Great, John, I'm calling to quickly show how our Cloud Dialer works. You can see all call activity is managed from one screen.
That's convenient.
Yes, agents can pause, transfer, or park calls, all without switching tabs. And after each call, disposition and notes are automatically saved for reporting.
Impressive, I like that.
Thanks for your time, John. I'll mark this call as a callback and we'll follow up shortly.